My name is Coachella Perez, and I am a reporter for this day. I am a Group 6, and the topic is all about structuring the literature planning. First, guide the graphic organizer below. Explain on a sheet of paper the interrelationship of the pace of reading instruction to include her importance in developing learners' enjoyment of reading and comprehension skills. First one, pre-reading, while reading, post-reading. So pre-reading, introducing the book to student, book over topics. And introduce the book, explain what it say, and guiding student to make prediction of this book content. And what I know for the book, and now I know, and the content is what this is. Second, while reading is we have sitting reading questions, and we need to questionnaire or question it, what it say in the book or etc. Then next, providing a clear reading purpose. Third, teaching reading strategies. Yan. We have strategies of the teaching and make sense of your talk about it. It is what this is the book. This is why ano ang kanyang sinasabi. And sa last, meron tayong post-reading. Dito na yung focusing on the language. Yan. Focus on your language and the language is correct or not correct. Phonics, vocabulary, or grammar. We need to correct the grammar and time of pronunciation for this post-reading. Focusing on the content and up discussion. And next part. Next part is on the sheet of paper, complete the follow card by the giving details in boilerplate format on the vital consideration the literature teacher should take note of the planning of the literature lesson plan. Mamaya papakita ko sa iyo ang lesson plan. In the education policy, we have a content performance standard for the content of your demo or content is in your lesson plan. Learn competencies in your lesson plan. Subject matter content, the subject of your teaching, then subject matter reference and resources, the reflection of your report or discussion on the LP. We have a procedure before reading, procedure during reading, procedure after reading, procedure evaluation, and the last we have a assignment for student and follow the education policy to become a teacher. Tama ba? The next, you must be ending your semester. Good news is you are about to accomplish the last lesson in this module. Before you go, write your reflection and conclusion by completing this graphic organizer. We have a I am certain I have learned about, and I have there is a need to, and last I could apply what I learned by. And next is sample of instructional lesson plan English 3 short story. The learning outcomes, we have a content standard, demonstrate understanding and the elements of literature, and exploratory text for creative interpretation. Next is performance standard, uses information derived from text in presenting varied oral and write activity. Learning competencies and objective, we have a note significant details in the story. B. Make predictions. C. Sequence of events in the story read. Sa pangalawa, we have a content subject. We have a 3. First, matter nothing significant details in story. Second, making predictions. Third, sequencing event the story read. And the value integration, we have a loyalty and being considerate. Third, learning resources. We have a 3%, 3 and a 1 and 2. Basahin natin. Slide presentation of the story, Hawk and Hen. I draw second, drawing and illustration of Hawk, Hen, and Crocodile ring. Third, digital lamp projector. Yun yung mga resources natin. And pre-reading, we have a motivation. Who among the have sent a hawk? Second is concept map. Show a picture of hen cracker. Ask what one word do we use to refer the hen and cracker. What word do you associate with the words hen and cracker? And mabisa rin siguro to kasi we use a picture to pass under and this pass and this identify the how picture and the hen picture. So next is let children give words to complete the concept map. And the third, unlocking difficulties. The question is to unlock of difficulties, we have a question and answer. The motivation picture naman is, why do your hands scratch the ground? B. War reading, gradual physical, physiological unfolding. Tell the class. The title of the story we are going to read is The Hawk and Hen. Then, magkikwento ka sa kanila kung ano yung mga yun. Ask the following comprehension question, then call for learners to answer. We have who the character revealed in the story. What did the hawk want from the hen? Medyo nakakabulol. And did he get the one he wanted? Next, what was the request of hen? Next, what is the hawk give to the hen? Last, what does the mean of when she accepted it? And now, tell the class. Before we read the next part of the story, let us predict what should happen next. Yan. Then show the next portion of the story through the slide presentation. Lead the class in reading it. Yan. If you want to understand the list in your lesson, we have your teacher is first read the instruction and read it, yung ano na yon, story, para masundan nila or para alam nila magbasa. And then dito naman, ask the following comprehension question. And we have what did the hen do with the ring? How did she feel about? Who did not like ring? Who didn't like the ring on the hen neck? And why? What did the hen to be at peace with the croaker boyfriend? Do you think she was happy with throwing it away? Yan, syempre hindi. Then tell the class, let's find out among you give the closest prediction to the questions. Then tell the class, now, before we read the next part of story, let us first try to guess what happened next. Yan. Remember the coming back to marry the hen. So exciting siya. Then next, ayun na pala, tapos na pala tayo. Yan, explain ko lang. What do you think should happen if he should find out he was done with the ring? Publish on the board, answer given. Yan. So yung topic natin, yung hen at saka hawk na yun. Diyan sa short story. Tinuturuan tayo nito kung paano gumawa or ituro ang instructional lesson plan in the English 3 with a short story. Yan lamang. Thank you.